Still wasting time and money in drive-through lines for a basic iced coffee every single morning. That daily habit is draining your budget, but making cold brew at home is incredibly easy. Today, we are settling the county line kitchen versus Takeya cold brew debate once and for all. First up, the county line kitchen glass mason jar is an absolute kitchen workhorse. It uses premium, heavy-duty glass and a massive steel filter that keeps your brew grit-free. Cleanup is a breeze, but remember, a full 2-quart glass jar can be quite heavy to pour. Now, if you want something lightweight and completely leak-proof, the Takeya pitcher is king. The airtight lid lets you store it completely flat in a crowded fridge without a single drip. However, the plastic pitcher may absorb some coffee stains and oils over years of heavy use. If you want the ultimate cup, pair these with a vacuum canister to keep your beans fresh. So, destructible glass or toss and go plastic. Check the link in the description for our full guide.